Hey there, little explorers! Welcome back to SSkidos, the place where learning is always fun. Today, we're going on an amazing adventure through the alphabet. But guess what? Each letter has a special bird friend waiting just for you.
A for albatross, a large seabird known for its long wings and ability to glide over the ocean for hours without flapping. B for blue jay, a bright blue bird with a loud, cheerful call, often seen in backyards and forests. C for cardinal, a vibrant red bird that sings beautiful songs, often found in gardens and woodlands. D for dove, a gentle bird with soft cooing sounds, symbolizing peace and love. E for eagle, a powerful bird of prey with sharp eyesight and strong claws, often seen soaring high in the sky. F for falcon, a fast-flying bird known for its incredible speed and hunting skills. G for goldfinch, a small bright yellow bird that loves to eat seeds and is often seen flitting around gardens. H for heron, a tall, graceful bird with long legs and a long neck, often seen wading in shallow waters. I for ibis, a bird with a long, curved bill, often found near water where it feeds on fish and insects. J for junco, a small grey bird with white outer tail feathers, commonly seen hopping on the ground in search of seeds. K for kingfisher, a colourful bird with a sharp bill, known for diving into water to catch fish. L for lark, a small bird known for its beautiful singing, often heard early in the morning. M for magpie, a black and white bird that is very intelligent and likes to collect shiny objects. N for nightingale, a brown bird famous for its powerful and lovely nighttime songs. O for owl, a nocturnal bird with big eyes and a round face, known for its hooting call and silent flight. P for penguin, a flightless bird that waddles on land and swims expertly in cold ocean waters. Q for quail, a small plump bird with a distinctive tuft on its head, often found in grasslands. R for raven, a large black bird known for its intelligence and deep croaking calls. S for sparrow, a small brown bird that is very common in cities and countryside alike. T for toucan, a tropical bird with a large, colourful beak and vibrant feathers. U for umbrella bird, a unique bird with a distinctive umbrella-like crest on its head. V for vulture, a large bird with a bald head known for eating dead animals. W for woodpecker, a bird with a strong beak used to peck holes in trees to find insects. X for xanthus's hummingbird, a small, vibrant hummingbird with green and white plumage, native to the Baja California Peninsula in Mexico. Y for yellowhammer, a bright yellow bird with a cheerful song, often seen in fields. Z for zebra finch, a small bird with zebra-like stripes on its tail, commonly kept as a pet.